Well, I don't mean to be greedy or anything, but,
I got you a gift!
okay, that was pretty quick.
I got you the motorcycle you wanted!
Wow, you did! Thank you, thank you! Oh, this is just the one that I wanted! The mini Honda!
He just loves his gifts.
I love my gift. Thank you so much, Bombird. This is the greatest gift ever!
And it'll be the best birthday ever. Look at my gift.
Okay. What is it?
Turn it over.
What is it?
A watch.
It's a watch! Yeah, what's a watch?
It tells the time.
It tells the time. It's a crown.
It could be a time-telling crown.
No, it's a crown. Just trust me.
Wow, guys, these are really awesome gifts, everybody.
Well, you'll be saying that to me when I get your gift.
I wonder what it is.
Is this what I think it is, Mario?
Yep, it's a 3DS.
A Nintendo 3D
It's included with Super Mario 3D Land.
Super. Thank you!